Hey guys, it's Mara. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Nice and Easy Clairol box dye, etc., etc. This one's in the extra, what's it called? Extra light cool blonde. So last time I did my roots, I didn't upload the video, but maybe I will. It was like a medium blonde. Yeah, my hair's real greasy. They say it's better for your scalp if your hair is dirty, so mine is. But last time I used this Revlon Root Erase, and basically, did it erase my roots? Absolutely not. Did it just kind of match the rest of my hair? Yeah, I mean, I guess, sort of. It was just dark. It was a lot darker than I wanted. I wanted it like light. This stuff's you can use up to 3 times, so if I need to like darken anything, I guess I could use that. But this, what color was this? I think it was a medium blonde. Oh, I don't have a box, do I? Anyway, basically it was supposed to be a medium blonde, but I feel like it was a lot darker than a medium blonde. So what I'm going to do is comb through my hair. When you're doing this, you want to make sure you have on a shirt you don't care about, which I don't care about this shirt. And then a towel you don't care about. And I guess pants you don't care about. Anything you really don't care about. Or you could wear like a robe or something. Anything that's probably going to get stained that you wouldn't mind getting stained. Also, especially if you're using darker color, even the blonde ones sometimes look kind of brown, so it can stain brown even though it's like a blonde color. But anyway, so I'm going to open this up. I got this off at CVS before like everything basically was out of stock. And I wanted to go lighter because lately I've been trying to do like the medium blondes or even a little bit lighter than the medium blondes, and they have been turning out pretty dark. So my roots that I kind of did and dragged out, I did them probably about a month ago, but like I said, it made them darker, not lighter, so which makes my hair look greasier faster. I'm not a fan of that. Okay, so here's our little package insert. Let's see, it says do the roots first if you do color every 1 to 3 months. So I probably am going to do my roots first, and that's really where I'm going to concentrate everything, because that's most of the issue. The ends of my hair are blonde enough, but I'll, you know, kind of drag it out so it looks more natural. Obviously, I don't want like blonde and then like weird other blonde. But yeah, I am getting pretty brassy. I mean, I've been brassy colored. That's kind of just what my hair turned kind of red. With the medium blonde color. So, and then of course I'm going to wash my hair after and use like the conditioning cream that comes with. But this is the color activator. The bottle's kind of squished. What else do we have? This is the conditioner. I love this stuff. I'll continue to use this on my hair because I think it keeps it pretty soft. I think you can use it like, yeah, once a week, but I kind of use it until it's, I might use it every time I wash my hair, until it's gone. Here's the color, also kind of smushed. Stuff I've been ordering from CVS has been real jank lately, so whatever. At least it came with the gloves. And here's the little glovies. So I'm going to comb through my hair, get everything ready, and then I will come back on. Okay, so I'm back. I combed through my hair. I'm going to put on the gloves and mix the developer and the color. As you can see, my roots are pretty dark. My scalp, I have a very dry, itchy scalp, but it's kind of interesting. I feel like once I color it, it actually kind of calms it down instead of making it worse for a while. So that's interesting. But anyway, got my gloves. Gonna put them on. And it says if it's been like 1 to 3 months, which it has, then to leave it on for 20 minutes and then put on the rest of your hair for about 5 minutes. So I may do more like 15 and 10. We'll just have to see how it's looking. But So here's my color. It says, yeah, use an old towel to protect your clothes, put on gloves, open tube 1 and squeeze into tube bottle 2. So we'll open tube 1, and it's got that little pokey at the end to open up the container. See, it's sealed. It's coming out there. Okay, and then bottle 2, that looks like it's gotten squished. Make sure it's the right stuff. Yeah, you don't want to accidentally put the conditioner in. That would be funny. Well, I guess it wouldn't be funny because then you wasted a whole bottle, so that would kind of suck. But since this bottle is squished, it's like already filling up a lot of it. Okay, I'm going to squeeze all that in there. Now, this one doesn't come with a brush because it's not really designated for roots. It's just like all over color. But I do have one of these that I like to use kind of to divide my hair. I got this like a long time ago in a package from Walmart. It's like more for ethnic hair, but it has like 20 combs, and I think it was only like $5. I got this set a long time ago. I've lost them throughout the years, but this one, you could also use it, you know, to kind of put in your highlights. But anyway, okay. Now let's see. I know you're supposed to take off the little stopper, but it actually doesn't say that, but I know we're supposed to do that. Because you don't want it to like explode. That's interesting, it didn't say it. Okay, so you want to put your finger over this, and you want to mix it up. Now, if your hair's never been colored before, it's been more than 3 months, then basically you put it on your roots and start at your roots and put it at your ends and leave it on for 25 minutes altogether. I've also heard if your hair has never been colored to actually start at the ends and then go to the roots because your roots will process faster, but I always have to go around by my ears a lot because it seems to just suck up the color. But that's probably where my hair grows in newer too. Okay. Okay, so it says you want to kind of start at the front, work your way back in half-inch, or wait, did it say inch? No, half-inch sections. So that means part your hair, put it on, do about a half-inch over, part your hair, and put it on there. So we're going to start out right on like your main part or wherever you normally part your hair. And it says there's highlights in here naturally, so I'm not going to do as much like chunky, like spread it out highlights. I really just kind of need to get all my roots at this point. Okay, and so now I'm going to do another little part over here, maybe more like an inch. Okay, so I did the kind of like half-inch separations, like this way, and then I put extra by my ears, like I said, that it really soaks up. So now I'm going to work on like the crown of my head, because that's where it's, you can't really tell, but that's where it's pretty dark. And then I will let that sit, and I'll probably do the 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna, in the last 5 minutes, I'm gonna put it on the rest of my hair. Oh, and I forgot to say, I also have to do down by the nape of my neck as well. I put this towel up. This is a towel I don't care about. That's already stained, so I don't get it like all over me. But it would also be good if you have long hair, if you have like a clip or something to clip it up so you can get in this area. Okay, so I kind of got it on my roots, and then I've pulled it out a little bit to where I noticed that my hair is still a little bit darker. I'm going to let this sit on. I think I will do the full 20 minutes depending on how light it looks. So right now it's looking, you know, moderately lightened, I guess. But some parts are still pretty dark. So yeah, I'm going to wait about 20 minutes. I'll let you know the amount of time. And then I'm going to put it on the rest of my hair. Okay. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes, and I am going to go ahead and put it on the rest instead of waiting the full 20, because it looks like right about my roots it is getting pretty light. So I'm going to do that now. As you can see, I've got it to about here lightly, not like super heavy, and then I'm going to drag it out the rest of the way to the end. Whoop, got that on there. Okay, so once I put on the rest of my hair, I waited a little more than 5 minutes. It's probably been closer to 10 minutes. I was hoping my roots would start, I'm going through a voice change there. I was hoping my roots would start looking more blonde, but they're really just looking really red. And I know my hair lifts red, but that's why I usually pick a cool blonde color to try to like make it less red. Am I going to be a just straight up redhead now? I don't know. We'll find out after I wash it. It does look more red in the camera than it does in person, but my roots, like, or the base of my scalp looks kind of orangey red. So anyway, what I'm going to do is take a shower. I'm going to wash this out and use the step 3, the conditioner. Oops, just dropped it. Use the step 3, which is the conditioning stuff. And usually I kind of put that all over my hair. It says apply a quarter size amount. I probably use a lot more than that. And it says leave on for 2 minutes and then rinse it out, so it can really kind of like soak in. So that is what I'm going to do now. So I'm fresh out of the shower. It looks pretty red, and by red I mean pretty orange. So hopefully after I dry it and everything, I know it'll look a little darker when it's conditioned versus obviously like being kind of fried. So it does look pretty good. I did put conditioner over all of it. I left it on probably more than 2 minutes, but anyway, so we'll just have to see. I don't know. Hey guys, okay, so I wanted to show you what my hair looks like. It actually turned out pretty good. My roots are still a little red, like the root part, but I like the majority of what my hair looks like past the roots. And you can see it did highlight it pretty good. Blonde. It's always dark right here, but whatever. So yeah, here's the finished look.